Alright, the carburetors are all clean and remounted. I'll make gas lines tomorrow, and I'll look into some sort of solution for this. I'm not sure what it's going to take, but it's going to take some serious cleverness. I'll see what I can do. So anyway, the carbs are clean, put back together. I cleaned the throttle assembly, cleaned the throttle. Don't use grease in a throttle, lightweight oil only. And now listen to the snap. That's the slide snapping back down into place. Got to have good snap, nice, smooth action. So everything's cleaned, everything's lubricated, everything's put back together. Tomorrow I'll put the tank on, make some fuel lines, and see what I can do about that missing tank bolt. That will be fun.